Hi Guy, I'm Laurie from AI Elephant.
Hi guys, I'm Leo.
What if an AI could solve in 1 minute what scientists spent 3 months trying to fix? Would you believe that?
Sounds like sci-fi, but it's not. It actually happened.
In Anthropic's lab, Claude a large language model Fuddy said, identified the chemical issue behind a failed COVID test in a single answer. No papers, no long experiments. It just understood.
And that was the moment they realized Subdeed AI was no longer a tool. It was becoming a part of the scientific process.
Anthropic often says, among all their beneficial use cases, life sciences come first. Not because of market size exclusive, but because it's closest to life itself.
I love their philosophy. Changing how we do science is more important than solving a single problem. They're not just building an AI that gives answers 7. They're building one that thinks, experiments, and discovers SUD alongside scientists.
Think of it as a personal research lab in your laptop. Claude helps draft protocols, debug experiments, run bioinformatics, write reports. The tedious parts gone. The creative ones too and amplified.
So it's making science fun again, turning data-draining work back into discovery-driven curiosity.
Exactly. Anthropic's vision is simple, to make science faster and make scientists happier.
But how does an AI actually learn to do science?
Anthropic didn't teach Claude about science sovereignty. They sci-meted it into the scientific ecosystem. Claude can talk to Benchling for experiment management, process single-cell data from **10x Genomics query papers on openai, and even design figures in BioRender.
So Claude isn't helping from the outside Tevi. It's working inside the scientist environment.
Exactly. Anthropic calls this ecosystem integration. They want Claude to connect to every neural pathway of the scientific workflow.
So what role does it play? Assistant? Advisor?
They describe it as a superhuman research assistant. It supports hypothesis generation, literature review, protocol debugging, computational analysis, and even paper writing.
So it's not a specialist in one task, Wayne. It's a partner through every phase.
Right. That's the biggest transformation. Claude isn't just a chat, it's a 4D process.
So which model powers Claude now?
The newest 120 Sonnet 4.5 ***. It is the first version that truly understands as science.
Understands?
Yes, Sonnet 4.5 was trained extensively on scientific domains, not just text, but math, biology, and physics. It grasps the structure behind equations, not just their results.
So it can transfer reasoning study-like, using mathematical logic to improve bioinformatics.
Exactly, and the biggest improvement, it handles long horizon tasks, IB complex, multi-step pipelines.
Like bioinformatics workflows that can take days to run.
Right, before, scientists had to manage every step manually. Now Claude can run an entire analysis end-to-end 2070, integrating multiple tools seamlessly.
That must be how it cracked that COVID test problem.
Yes, the team spent 3 months stuck on an inhibition issue. Claude saw it once David and suggested the right chemical adjustment in a minute. Not perfect, but enough to get them moving again.
That's what progress feels like. Some momentum restored.
Exactly. Claude doesn't replace insight. It too unlocks it.
So how is Anthropic structuring this whole vision?
Through what they call the Foodie Holistic Task Framework, 25 layers of acceleration.
Walk me through them. That's active learning, right?
Exactly. Once human-labeled data reaches its limit, Claude starts learning from nature itself.
It's almost like creating an Ascendai autonomous scientist.
That's precisely the long-term vision. AI won't just accelerate discovery 32, it will could evolve with it.
But here's the big question. Suddy, if AI runs experiments, how do we keep it safe?
That's where Anthropic is different. They don't see safety and acceleration as opposites.
That fits their constitutional AI philosophy.
Exactly. Safety is built into the culture sovereignty, like a quality management system, QMS in biotech. Every improvement follows biosafety best practices.
So they're not just making stronger models, PsyD, they're making side-responsible ones.
Yes, Anthropic says, success isn't about model power, but about what scientists can achieve itiwithi safely, efficiently, and joyfully.
I love that. Claude isn't the center of intelligence century. It's the collaborator that empowers it.
Exactly. As they put it, success is measured by the scientist's success.
That's such a beautiful definition.
I keep wondering, if this continues, what will the role of scientists become?
I think humans will shift from researchers to thigh direction setters. Thundai runs the experiment side. We define the questions. We move from execution to intention.
Yeah, creativity itself may evolve. When machines can explore every possibility, our job becomes defining what's worth exploring.
And that's the poetic part of Anthropic's mission. They're not just building machine sippy, they're building new ways of thinking. You know, people keep saying AI will change the world, but maybe that day has already come. Quietly Fendi in the labs, in the data, in the way discovery unfolds.
It's not replacing scientists, it's amplifying them. Making thinking faster, experiments bolder, and dreams bigger. Maybe one day, a Nobel paper will simply say, "Special thanks to Claude."
If Claude really can compress a century of progress into 10 years, that's not acceleration tumba, that's evolution. It's the moment when intelligence begins to collaborate with curiosity.
We're not just witnessing a new tool, we're entering a new epoch. An era of knowledge, written by humans and machines.
Thank you for listening and thinking with us. If this episode sparks something in you, follow the show and share it with a curious friend.
We'll see you next time. And until then, ask yourself when AI becomes the scientist, what will we become?